Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma with All Things Handmade. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to create, how to price, how much to invest, how to buy it at wholesale, and how to sell it. Let me get ready and let's get to work. In this video, I'm going to show you two things. The number one is going to be how to remove background and how to turn your images into SVG. So this is really quick and it's free. The first thing that you need to do, you need to go to remove.vg right here, and then you're going to go to upload your image, and you're going to go ahead and pick your image. So I want these images to do right there. So there it is, and there's your image is already done. So if you can see here, sometimes it leaves a little bit of the background. So you go edit, and then you go erase and restore, and you just take it off carefully so you don't chunk a piece of his face. This is my beautiful grandson, and I'm planning on giving a coffee mug to my son-in-law for Father's Day. Okay, so here it is. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go to backgrounds because we want to make it white. There you go. It's white. So now what we're going to do, we're going to download it, download the image. We're going to open it up to make sure that it did download properly. So there it is. So we get out of here, and this is free. You can do this for free. Then you're going to go to free SVG converter, and the address is picsvg.com. And then you go to upload your picture. Again, this is free. You choose the picture you want. There it is. It's showing you the first option, but then you can go here and check all of them, and then you can choose whichever one you like the best. Okay, number 4. He looks like a little old man. I don't think I like that one. We go to ready 1, ready 2, and ready 3. So you go through this and you can pick the one that you like the most. Between the ready number 3 and maybe the invert number 3 as well. So you're going to go ahead and download the image that you choose. So I'm going to choose this one, and then you wait for it to download. You go ahead and open it, and then you close it. So it's already in your computer, and I'm planning on using it with my Cricut. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to upload it, upload the image. I already did this before, so I'm going to do this one. And let's go ahead and hide this one here. So we're doing this here. So now what you're going to do, because everything is separated, you're going to go ahead and grab it, and you're going to go flatten. So if you look up here, your image is already all put together. And here's the other one. So you do the same thing. You grab it, you flatten it, and there it is. I don't want to print this one, but I do want to print this one. So it's ready to do. You can make it in any color, because I'm going to etch that on a coffee mug. I'm going to print it in any color that a little piece that not going to use, or whichever one you. So I hope this helped you. I hope you get enough of this video. If you do, please, I will appreciate if you subscribe. If you haven't, like and share. Other than that, you guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it, and until next time, thank you.